Ready to dive into the world of songwriting? Welcome to Lyric Writing, a hands-on course where you'll learn to write, refine, and perform your very own original lyrics from start to finish. You'll master the essentials of lyric writing, exploring song structures, crafting catchy hooks, and using poetic techniques to express your unique voice. Then you'll perform and record your lyrics and polish your work to create high-quality songs. In fact, the background music you're hearing right now was created by students in the lyric writing course. Join lyric writing today and take your songwriting skills to the next level. Lyric writing, your words, your music, your voice. Ready to dive into the world of video creation? Welcome to Broadcast Media, a hands-on course where you'll learn to plan, shoot, and edit compelling video projects from start to finish. You'll master the essentials of shooting video, capturing clear audio, perfect lighting, and using creative techniques to tell your story. You'll take your filmmaking to new heights, learning to fly a drone and capturing stunning aerial footage, then edit your footage with Adobe Premiere Pro. Your work will come to life, whether it's an interview, montage, or school event. Join Broadcast Media today and unlock your potential in the world of digital media. Broadcast Media. Your story, your vision, your creation. Ready to step into the world of broadcast production? Welcome to Broadcast Studio, where creativity meets professionalism in the world of video journalism. In this course, you'll learn everything it takes to produce a studio-based television program, and as a member of our broadcast studio team, you'll rotate through every single role. From camera operator and sounds and lights tech to producer and on-screen talent, gaining a well-rounded experience. Join Broadcast Studio today and build the skills that will take your production experience to the next level. Broadcast Studio. Your story, our studio, on air. Ready to explore the power of words? Welcome to Poetry and Creative Writing, where your voice becomes your creative tool. In this course, you'll dive into both the art of poetry and creative writing, analyzing a range of works from historic to modern, while also developing your own pieces. Through writing workshops, you'll sharpen your skills and experiment with different genres, from traditional poems to contemporary and experimental forms. By the end of the course, you'll have created a final poetry portfolio, showcasing your growth and creativity throughout the semester. Join Poetry and Creative Writing today and take your writing to new heights. Poetry and Creative Writing. Your imagination, your words, your world. Ready to amplify your voice? Welcome to Podcasting, a course where you'll develop the skills to create powerful, engaging podcasts. Whether it's dialogue, interview, or documentary style, you'll learn to craft podcasts that captivate your audience and tell your story. You'll start by mastering audio recording and editing with Adobe Podcast, then progress to advanced techniques in Adobe Audition, mixing music and sound design to produce professional quality content. As the course continues, you'll work in teams to create podcasts in 3 different styles, and by the end, you'll host your very own podcast series. Join Podcasting today and take your audio storytelling skills to the next level. Podcasting. Your voice, your story, your series.